Once you have installed the Slack CLI onto your machine, you need to authorize the CLI into a Slack workspace. Start by opening your terminal and running the command slack list. This shows you all the workspaces that have already been authorized for this machine. But we want to authorize the Slack CLI on a new workspace. And we can do so by running the command slack login. You'll receive an authorization ticket in the form of a slash command. The CLI is also asking you for a challenge code, but we'll get to that in a second. Copy the slash command and open your Slack workspace. You can now post the slash command into any channel. Once you press enter, you'll see a modal with a list of all the permissions. Once we have reviewed them, we can grant those permissions by clicking confirm. Next, you will be provided with the challenge code, which we will copy and paste into our terminal. The success message tells us that the Slack CLI has been successfully authorized in our workspace. You can also verify this by running the command slack list. You have now successfully connected your Slack CLI to your workspace, and you're one step closer to creating next-generation Slack automations. To learn more about how you can get started, visit our documentation and check out some of our open source sample apps.